How to send a gift message on Instagram. I'll show you how to send a fun gift wrap message on Instagram that your friends will love. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on the messages icon at the top right corner. Select the chat where you want to send the gift message. Type your message like you normally do. I'm writing this. Now, look at the search icon on the left side of your message bar. Now tap on it. At the top, you'll see different message effects. Choose the gift box icon. And that's it. Your message will be sent in a cute gift wrap box. When your friend taps on the box, it will unwrap with a surprise effect like this.